Hey guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about how to resolve Git related errors in VS Code. Now, if you observe when I'm trying to execute a Git command, I'm getting error like term Git is not recognized as name of command line. Sometimes you'll get some errors like Git is not recognized as internal or external command. Now, what you need to do means to resolve this error, you need to go to the C program files and Git, and let me copy the path of bin. Now I need to go to edit environment variables for our account. Meanwhile, let me close the VS Code. I need to click on path new and enter this, and here I need to say CMD. Now let me click on OK. Let me reopen the VS Code now. Let's wait for the VS Code to get loaded. We need our terminal to get loaded, right? Yep, now the terminal is loaded. Yep, now we are able to resolve the error. I hope you guys got it now how we are able to resolve the error. If your problem is resolved, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.